Greetings and welcome to the Empress Sheba. Here I am rocking my Empress braids, the ones that I love so much, the ones that were bleeding all over the place. And if you've been following me, you know what I'm talking about. And if not, now is a great time to go ahead and subscribe to this channel where I'm talking about my 4C hair journey, 4C natural hair. Here I am rocking my DIY Empress braids that I am trying to curl with these curl formers. As you see, I'm having a hard time because these curl formers are really thin and I'm trying to put all this amount of hair in there that makes no sense. I don't know what I'm thinking about. Okay, so I need to go thinner, obviously. I don't know what I was thinking. So let's try to go thinner and see what happens. Obviously, that's still too thick. Okay, so if I have to go thinner than that, this is not gonna work. Okay, so now I'm really sad and disappointed because I really want to curl these braids before I take them out. I'm itching to take them out now, but they're so beautiful. And yes, I found some curlers. By the way, they have been in about 2 weeks now, and I'm itching to take them out because, as I said, the hair is bleeding all over my clothes and my pillowcases. I didn't realize how bad it was on my clothes until I did my laundry one day, and I saw the back of one of my white shirts. It was totally brown, and I could not believe that. So I'm just trying to stick it out because the hair still looks so fresh, so nice. Boom, the rollers are working. Also, this must be my dormant phase in my hair growth cycle because I hardly have any new growth, and that is unusual for 2 weeks, going on 3 weeks. So I don't know. So I'm just trying to wear this a little bit longer. Maybe because I've been washing it so much, it's shrinking back up at the roots when it dries. I don't know. That didn't even make sense. But either way, this style can definitely stay in longer because it looks good. But it's coming out soon, next strong, after these curls wear for one strong or so. I'm curling these with these hard plastic rollers, and I am going to dip this hair in some hot water to set the curl. I'm wondering how much of a curl I will actually get since my hair is pretty long in these braids and taking up a lot of the hair in the braid. So if anything, the very tips will give me a curl. Well, if nothing else, the very tips will be curled. It would be nice if the curls would stay tight, just like this. The things we do for beauty, I tell you, this is ridiculous. But we do it. Now for the takedown. I was like, oh man, it doesn't look curled much, but actually it's still damp, it's still wet, and when it dries, it kind of curls up a little bit better. Unfortunately, I don't have a lot of footage of when it dried, but yeah, I actually tried to dip it again and try it again, but it did the same thing because that's what's going on here. And like I said, my hair is long in some of these and it's still wet, so it's not curling up. So yeah, I am just re-rolling some of these to dip them again and see if I can get any little bump at the end or something. And I actually did. Later on, I ended up using some smaller plastic rollers that I have that ended up giving me a better curl. Dried a little bit and it's drawing up on its own. How cute. I'm loving this. It's giving body and bounce. I'm loving it. It's giving my hair looks loose from far. Anyway, that's what a lady told me. Thanks for watching. I appreciate love. Be bliss.